So I was invited to perform at the Syracuse Arts Museum and take me to a place of love. I was see me immediately I reach there. I don't see myself. I'm like, let me go close, let me go close, let me go close. Look at me, I'm a writing what your Ramon Adibo. Hey, it's in now left. It came again, and then I now started seeing the whole space where I'll be performing. So peaceful, so solemn. Everywhere was just like, oh heaven. Oh my God, look at this. Professor Romita really did a great job here. Everywhere was just, this exhibition features works of Rina and it's just amazing. I just got to where I'll be changing into my performance dress, my cultural regalia. They get me water and tea, just in case I am thirsty. Let me dress up, you know? It's my dress that Eddie gave me. Now I am introduced, the event just started. Then my darling Professor Ruth now came to introduce me. What an honor.